Have you ever heard a song and suddenly felt like you were somewhere else? Not just remembering it, feeling it. You are in your car, in your room, at work, walking somewhere normal, and then one song starts playing, and for a few seconds the present almost disappears. You are back in a summer you forgot about, back in an old bedroom, back in a car ride, back with people you do not talk to anymore, back in a version of yourself that does not exist in the same way now. And the strange part is, the song does not just bring back an image, it brings back the atmosphere, the light, the mood, the feeling of that time, sometimes even the person you were. This is why music can feel like time travel, because songs do not only live in your memory, they get tied to moments, to routines, to people, to places, to things you were feeling before you even knew how to name them. A song you played every morning during 1 year of your life becomes connected to that year. A song you heard on repeat with someone becomes connected to that person. A song from childhood can carry the shape of a house, a street, a holiday, a season. And years later, when the same melody comes back, your brain does not treat it like a new sound. It treats it like a key. Something opens. This is why one song can make you smile without warning, another can make you quiet, another can make you feel young again, and another can make you feel something you thought was gone. Music is powerful because it does not ask for permission. It does not say, "Would you like to remember this now?" It just starts playing. And suddenly a part of your past is standing in the room with you. But it is not always about sadness. Sometimes a song brings back a version of life that felt simple, a bus ride, a game you used to play, a friend you laughed with, a place you did not know you would miss one day. Back then it was just normal, just another day, just background noise. But later the song becomes a container for everything that was happening around it. That is one of the strange things about memory. We do not always remember life evenly. We remember fragments, a smell, a voice, a room, a street at night, a chorus from a song we had not heard in 10 years. And sometimes those fragments are stronger than entire stories. You may forget what month it was. You may forget the exact conversation. But the moment the song plays, your body remembers the emotional weather. It remembers whether you felt free, or nervous, or excited, or safe, or lost, or in love with a future that never happened. That is why music can feel so personal. Two people can hear the same song and travel to completely different places. For one person it is just a track. For another it is a whole chapter. And sometimes that chapter is not even dramatic. It is just a small piece of life. A kitchen. A school hallway. A late night walk. A phone from years ago. A summer that felt endless because you did not yet know how fast time could move. Maybe this is why old songs can feel heavier than new ones. Not because the music is always better, but because the old songs have had time to collect meaning. They have been with you through things. They have absorbed moments. They have become part of your personal history. So when a song suddenly takes you back, maybe it is not really taking you away from the present. Maybe it is reminding you that all those versions of you still exist somewhere inside. The younger you, the hopeful you, the confused you, the happier you, the one who did not know what was coming next. And maybe that is why it feels so strange. Because for a moment, you are not only listening to music. You are meeting yourself again. A song plays, a memory wakes up, and time folds in a way that only music can make possible.